Hello, we are the BAS-IP company. In this video, we will show how to configure a call from a multi-apartment outdoor panel to subscriber devices. The BAS-IP equipment can be powered from either 12V or PoE. First, we need to connect the power. In this example, we will supply a multi-user panel of 12V. This monitor supports the connection with both 12V and PoE. In this example, we will connect it via PoE. There are two ways to configure a multi-apartment outdoor panel and monitor: via the web interface or through the graphical user interface of the device. Let's start with configuration via the graphical interface of the devices. To ensure proper functioning of devices, you need to check if the devices are located in the same local network and in the same subnet. Let's make sure this requirement was met. Next, we need to go to the Settings menu. Double-click on the button with the image of the grid, enter password, by default the numbers from 1 to 6, and confirm the input by a click on the grid. Use the navigation keys on the right side of the panel to navigate the menu up and down. The button with the grid image confirms the selection. Go to the Network Settings menu. Specify the settings of the local network. Go to VoIP on the subscriber's device. Settings. Network. Enter the password, by default from 1 to 6. Here we see that the IP address of the device is in the same subnet and differs from the address of the panel. It should be this way. Now you need to configure the logical address in the devices. The logical address is a conditional address including the building number, unit, floor, room, and the serial number of the device in this apartment. The devices find each other in the network by this address. To enter the address, we should go to the settings of the outdoor panel and select Device Settings. For our example, the address has the Unit Panel mode, Building 1, Unit 1. Now let's talk about the operating modes of this multi-apartment outdoor panel. There are two modes, Unit Panel and Wall Panel, in this multi-apartment outdoor panel. In this example, we are reviewing the Unit Panel mode. In this mode, multi-apartment panel is installed at the entrance to the house. Wall Panel mode is used for panels installed, for example, on a fence around the whole residential complex. For Wall Panel mode, you should indicate the building number, unit number, and its ordinal number in the panel settings. Then, when dialing the number, only the floor and room numbers are indicated. We need to double-check that the same building number, the unit number, the floor, and the room number are the same for all devices of the subscriber. For example, floor 0, room 40, serial number 0. 0 means this device is the primary one, and the call will first come to it. If we put a number from 1 to 8, it will mean the monitor is additional, and the call to it comes only through the primary device. Please note that we indicated the floor as 0. This is done for convenience in this case. When you call from a multi-apartment panel, you do not need to type the floor number each time. Now, let us dial the room number on the outdoor panel and make sure that the subscriber's device receives a call. We can take a call on the monitor, talk to the visitor, and open the lock. End the call by pressing the corresponding button. If we configure the device via the web interface, we need to launch the software remote upgrade tool and find the devices and their IP addresses. Then, open the web interface and set the necessary settings. To do this, first we need to download and run the program. Go to the BAS-IP site, click on the menu, Download Center, Software, and find the firmware for BAS-IP version 3. After the launch and clicking Search button, we see the IP addresses of the BAS-IP devices. The first two digits are the number of the building. It can be from 1 to 99. Moreover, 0 as the first character is not specified. Thus, if the number is 01, the program will show us 1. The next 2 digits are the number of the unit, and the next ones are the floor number. For multi-apartment outdoor panels, this value is fixed and written as 99. The 2 remaining digits for the monitor indicate the address of the room. For the outdoor panel, its serial number. Now we need to connect to the IP address of the outdoor panel. Enter the login on default, admin, and the password from 1 to 6. Enter the menu item LAN and configure the device according to the settings of our local network. Please note that the same subnet mask, and the correct gateway address should be entered. IP address must be free in this network. After that, click the Submit button. Next, go to the menu item Device. Enter the building number, the unit number. Enter the serial number of the device, and make sure that the unit panel mode is on. Click the Submit button. Now, let's configure the subscriber's device. Enter the IP address of the monitor in the address bar. Login admin. The default password is the numbers from 1 to 6. Double-check the proper number of the building, unit, floor, room, and serial number. Click the Submit button. Now, we dial the apartment number on the outdoor panel to make sure the subscriber's device receives a call. We can accept the call, talk to the visitor, and open the lock from the monitor. End the call by pressing the corresponding button. Congratulations! You have successfully configured the BAS-IP devices, and now they are completely ready to work.